I'm Claire Langdon from Community Energy Plus and the coordinator for the UK's part of the Schools for Intelligent Energy Use project. And we have just had our final presentation of the first round of SIEU for January to March 2010. We had 60 students here today who were in groups of, well, there were 10 groups of them, and they did presentations to their 10 businesses that they worked with. It was amazing. I am so impressed by what they've done. It's good to see how the businesses have responded well throughout the whole project with the initial meetings and just how keen they were to work alongside the students and take them very seriously with what they were proposing. It's been a wonderful mix of students and businesses and the support from their colleges and schools.
Hello, we're from Cornwalls Science and Community College, and we've been working with the Pendenton Park Hotel in Redruth with a view to lowering their carbon footprint and saving them money. Stacey looked at the lighting used in the public rooms in the hotel. What would you like to say, Stacey?
I'd like to say that it's been quite interesting because before I knew that there were just light bulbs, I didn't know there were different wattage or like that there were different types that could save energy. And now I know there are lots.
Here at Pendenton we've been working with Stacey on this project and listening to everything she had to say on our lighting, which has proved really useful for us to realise just how much energy we're wasting unnecessarily. Hopefully we can use some of her feedback and implement it in the hotel so that we can change all the lighting, save lots of money and lots of energy. She's been a great help and we're really proud to support the college.
We think that this project is a very, very good experience for the students because most of the time we always encourage the student, part of the national BTEC, national diploma countryside, they have to be independent anyway. So what's good about this project is that it makes it real for them and they will see what is it like in the real world, and they put their theory into practice as well.
Hello, my name is Lucy East. I'm at Duchy College studying countryside management. I'm part of a group which has been asked to research the installation of a biomass boiler for a local farm, which is Deer Park Farm. It's been really insightful and it's allowed me to get a greater understanding of how important things are for making development sustainable.
Good afternoon, my name is Martin Howlett and I am the owner and proprietor of Deer Park Farm at Luckett, which is nearby to Duchy College. We've been pleased to be involved with the project in the last few months. We constantly strive to make improvements to our farm business through best practice, and it's just given a golden opportunity for the students to be able to give this presentation today and for us to understand and hopefully act upon their same advice in a consultancy sort of way. I think it's also important that we have got perhaps something slightly different in as much that we do have the ability to source our own energy resource on farm in the form of miscanthus, and clearly being an energy crop, that is our ultimate aim to use it on farm to be self-sufficient.
Hi, I'm Vicky. I'm from Cornwall College, Camborne.
Hi, I'm Rob.
From the same college, yeah. We designed a system for Cornish systems who wanted to work out how they could translate energy into something that their customers could understand. And we came up with an avatar idea and also the concept of having a competition. It was tough, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. It's hard to kind of really believe that you can actually convince people to do it like that, but it has been trialled and it has seemed to work. So
that people are either interested or they're not interested, and they're approaching you because they're already interested, so you've already won the battle, whereas we're trying to get to people who aren't interested in it.
Yeah.
And that was like the two ideas that we presented, the concept of the avatar and the competition. They were definitely two of the strongest ideas that ran through all of our discussions.
Okay, my name's Tom Parrott. I'm the Health, Safety and Environmental Manager for Tamar Foods in Carrington. A group from Launceston College came up with some really good suggestions on how we can utilise feed-in tariffs, which are being introduced by the government this year, to reduce the payback on certain renewable projects that we wouldn't have touched before, purely because they were uneconomically feasible for us to do. They've looked at renewable energy in terms of solar voltaic panels, we've looked at wind turbines as well, and I think the payback they came up with was 4 years. on the turbine that would actually control or account for all the electricity used for our office equipment, therefore making it carbon neutral.
Okay, my name is Jeremy Powell. I'm a teacher at Trinity Community College in Newquay in Cornwall. This is Mark, this is Rob. They've been doing a project trying to save some energy in one room in the school, and then seeing if we can apply the general principles across the whole school to try and improve the amount that we can save energy across the school.
We did this by adding signs around our room and monitoring the electric usage in our room over 1 week. We then tried to reduce this and measured it again to see if we had it. In fact, our temperature, we managed to increase the temperature in the room by 1 degree by just keeping the doors shut and closing curtains at night and things like that.
The school bought some owls, which were electricity monitors that we hooked in to see what the classroom was actually using on the mains electric and the lights, and we tried to improve upon it, but it also gave us a good indication of what was using the most electric.
My name is Mike, I'm Assistant Manager of the Phoenix Leisure Centre in Launceston, and I've been working with a group from Launceston College on energy within our centre. The findings they've come up with are a pool cover for our pool and also LED lights for squash court, which are both things that we can definitely look at. I'm going to take the information back to my manager and see if he can filter it onto our facilities and management, because the costs they came up with actually surprised me, and probably will surprise our facilities management, because they have looked into energy saving in the centre anyway.
My name's Alistair Cameron, I'm Property Manager for the National Trust. The students looked at our holiday cottages at Cadgworth and came up with a really interesting project to put a biomass boiler in there, which looks like it'll not only save us money, but should work very well for those cottages. They also highlighted the renewable heat initiative, which I think is going to make a major difference to the budget on this, and the payback time being 6 years, it all looks like a very feasible project.